Woo! Guys, things are getting hot. Things are getting hot. I am getting hot sitting in my seat. This is a powerful, I mean, this is not, I don't know if it's a weak signal up, but it's definitely not I mean, it's a powerful signal up, right? I don't know if it's a weak signal up. I couldn't say that with certainty, but this is not, we are getting into this bull market support band and we're going up slowly and methodically, which is what you want to see if we're trying to do something like this. And this is like a slow and cautious move up is what the market is doing. It's not doing any jerky movements. I'm going to switch to the 4 hour. Okay. And so a lot of my lines here don't make as much sense. But I just want to see what we can come up with. What's going on? So if we go to the 4 hour, can we draw some lines that help us understand this thing a little bit better? If I don't really see it. I don't see anything interesting here. Let's draw some trend lines. Anything? I don't see it. Oh, this is interesting. So we have, seems like we have something happening there. And I know we have something down here. Let's see if we can get this to drawn out. That's interesting. So we do have something, somewhat of a trend line here. Do we get anything? We don't really get anything particularly interesting. Oh, what is this? Let's see. Do we? No. Interesting. Nothing particularly interesting. But I guess I wonder. I wonder if we're going to hit resistance here at about 45 and bump back down. Because we've just days previous we've been here, right? So this is the this is the beginning of the month, and this is February 22nd. So we've been to these areas before. And we are, what are we? We're, from where we are right now, we are about 2% away, so about $700 away from this trend line. I think we should wait and see. I think we should wait and see what happens at this trend line. Will we be able to break through, or will it be something that keeps us down? I'm still a firm believer that if we close below the 50-week on the weekly chart, we end up in a situation where we're not able to make it out. I don't know for certain, of course, and I don't have a crystal ball, unfortunately. But let us see. My current thoughts are that we will actually hit this line and bounce back down. What's interesting though is that you kind of see this topping, right? You see this topping feature almost. It's very scattered over here, and then we start coming down, and you could argue that we're beginning to see that now, but I wonder, this seems a lot more solid. It's like we make jolts up, we have topping, jolts up, topping, jolts up, topping, jolts up. Now we're going to do some topping, and then we'll be jolted up again. It's interesting. I'll have to wait and see. Let's see what happens.